Good morning. I'm Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update on this tariff day. But it's an interesting time for the tariff day. Let's talk about that on this Monday morning, February 3rd, 2025 at 8:20 a.m. Central Time. As you know, on Saturday, President Trump announced the tariffs against China, Mexico, Canada. We'll get into that in a minute. Today's the day the market had a chance to react to it. Stock market's down. You've been everywhere in the gold market. You have a $60 range you're swinging back and forth. And silver, a full dollar range from high to low. And when I tell you it's gone from the highs to the lows and coming back up, believe what I'm saying there. The dollar got as high as near the contract high by 6 points, has plunged just now 70 points from that as a number of currencies have moved back up. In the bonds and the note market, you're getting a strong bid in the back end, and the front end, the very front end, is holding on to the rates where the back end is dropping away on them. Then on the energy markets, you have OPEC meeting today, and oil got a bid. So let's go into what we've got here and talk about it. Global Group is going to come out in about 20 minutes here with their final January manufacturing service sector PMI. ISM will release their U.S. January manufacturing sector index at 9 o'clock. But the big news was Trump hit the tariffs. On Saturday, the president signed the sweeping parts. It was like the Smoot-Hartley law. If you go back into the 30s, this is what happened. U.S. at that point put a tax on just about everything coming in at 59%. And of course, you know, the Great Depression going on, all the impacts that was doing. Well, in this case, the president put a sweeping tax of 25% on Canada and Mexico. An exception was oil coming out of Canada, only a 10% tax. But he also removed one of the momentous parts of it. We had been allowing, or he had been allowing, or the administrations, anything coming in from Canada under $800 in declared value had no tax. That's gone. It's everything coming in. That part is gone. So now where are we? Well, China, they're going to get a 10% in tax, but everybody had until Tuesday. Why Tuesday? Well, if you looked at my weekend update, you saw that I said the only reason you're probably doing that is behind the scenes in a fever pitch. What you are seeing is everybody's trying to figure out ways to appease the president to stop the tariffs from hitting at 12:01 a.m. Tuesday morning. So you have still about 18 hours left, 16 hours left to get this all done. And as I understand it, the president this afternoon will have another discussion for us and tell us what was done with all that. So he's forcing it. We will see what happens. Could this go into effect? Yes. May it not? Yes. Europe is next up on the line. He's already said that he doesn't think the UK is a problem. That's interesting in itself. So you put this all together and you got to say to yourself, what do you do and how do you go about doing anything with it? And no one's going to tell you this is easy. The one thing that I expected, and I didn't get it 30 minutes ago, and now I'm getting it again. I thought the winners would be two markets. I thought, actually three. Let me go through them. I thought that the gold market, the dollar market, and that the U.S. bonds and notes would get the bids. They are. I didn't say it would be the 2-year or the 10-year. I just thought they'd get the bids. And that's exactly what is happening. Could this unwind as fast as it's taking place? Yes, if the tariffs were abated, if he put them back 30 days, as he's happy. We don't know what's going to happen here. So if you're in and out trading, that's fine. If you're trying to hold on a position based on that, may not be so fine. These are the things you have to take into account. Now, I cover this each and every morning in detail in my morning subscriber videos. I've already given all my what to do, what not to do. In the futures, in about 30 minutes, I'm going to cover the SPDR ETF. You go to iraepstein.com, research. It is there that you get everything that you need so you can see these specific buy here, sell there. Here's the stop. Here's what to do. Here's do nothing. Here's the ETF I want you to hold. Hold it longer term, hold it shorter term. In the future, same type of thinking that we go through. So if you're a chartist, ideally, and you're looking for reasons based on charts, I walk you through the patterns. It's not what I think, it's the interpretation of the charts. I'm not trying to say, oh, I think 6 months down the road this is going to happen. That's not what this is about. Go to iraepstein.com research. That's the place to see all this. Move your cursor to the top here. There'll be an icon and join us. I'm Ira. Catch up with you this afternoon. It's going to be a wild day. Take care.